Hello, Happy New Year, my lovely family. I hope your new year 2025 is taking you well, and I hope this year will be kind to you. And this is my morning routine in 2025 January. It still feels like a breath of fresh air. Every year brings a new perspective. Like it makes you feel like there's so much to achieve, because there is, and it all depends on the work you put in it. People start the year with energy. Oh, they want to start the gym, they want to eat healthy, but by the middle of the year, things just start going another way. The resolution starts like coming down one by one. But I really hope, like, your new year's resolutions this year, you will make them to the end. If it's that gym, I hope you'll make it to the end. This year feels a little bit different. It feels so different. I don't know how it feels for you. One thing I love about January is that so many things usually come to season, like the mangoes that we've been rearing throughout the last months of the year. They are now sprouting, they are now growing, and they're falling down one by one. Every morning, I have to wake up and just collect mangoes. It's the first thing I eat when I wake up. And one thing about these African mangoes, that these mangoes that are not grafted, like they just grow like this, nothing has been done on them, they just grow naturally. They are usually very delicious. I don't know, there's something about madodo mangoes. I don't know, guys, if you know madodo mangoes and these normal mangoes. These ones, they are the best. I would choose these ones over madodo. They're just so delicious. So it's the first thing I eat in the morning. Nowadays, let me enjoy it before it's over, because oh my goodness, I just wish, guys, you could be here. But anyways, you're welcome. There's some things that always take you back home, right? Okay, this is something I learned when I was young. I remember there was this, I don't know, grandfather, what can I say, or uncle to my dad. He used to take us to buy mangoes when we were younger. We would go to buy mangoes and they would be put like pili pili on them. Pili pili is chili. And even up to now, if you go to the markets in Kenya, in mango season, you'll find these people who put chili on your mangoes, and there's nothing that slaps harder than this. Oh my goodness. This is one of my favorite ways to eat mangoes. You put some chili. Sometimes if you want, you can add some salt, but most of the time I use chili alone. But today, for the sake of showing you, will be adding a little bit of salt. But when you come in contact with these African mangoes or whatever, but there's no other mangoes that slaps like the African mangoes. Try this. Oh my goodness, you'll never eat mangoes the same again. Yeah, and we are also in the process of preparing breakfast. This porridge, just millet, and yeah, this is the life here. It's very sweet, right? Well, like pancakes are a big part of our morning because, like going to the shops to get breads, like it's more economical this way, especially in a big family like this. Right now, people are still around and there's need like to ensure everyone is full, and we literally cook a lot of pancakes. They keep you full in the morning before we cook lunch. And this is a big part of our morning routine, eating pancakes. And this is how we make it. Just simply mix it with water. Sometimes some people even call them chapatis, but these pancakes are not chapatis. Chapatis are very different. They taste different. Let me tell you, they might look the same, but they taste very different. Nothing can beat chapati. As a big lover of chapati, I can say that confidently. And if you've tasted chapati and pancakes and you're not maybe from Kenya, maybe you're from the US or the Caribbean, did you feel the difference? Would you like it? And yeah, let's have our breakfast. I really need a bigger kitamba, a bigger cloth for this table, because yeah, anyways. seems like everyone joined me later to eat the breakfast, which is lovely because these are my family. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. What are your New Year's resolutions? Because me, one of my biggest New Year resolutions is to be consistent and to embrace change, to fully embrace change, and yeah, to be consistent here on YouTube. Something that I'm like, the last month of 2024 December, I posted very few videos and I'm not proud of it. So I'm really hoping this year, with God by my side, I'll post videos according to my schedule. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Tell me what you think about it and tell me your New Year's resolutions. Thank you so much for watching. May God bless you wherever you are. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. And consistency, discipline on your New Year resolutions. See you in the next vlog, family. I love you so much.